So what we have here is a smooth wall and a smooth ground. A particle is projected from a point here and say this point is A. The particle strikes the wall horizontally and reaches the point of projection after one bounce. जो कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेस्टिट्यूशन है यहाँ पर भी ई है और ग्राउंड पर भी कोफिशिएंट ऑफ रेस्टिट्यूशन इज ई and we have to find the value of E. We have to find the value of the coefficient of restitution E. So let us see how we are going to solve this. Okay. It's a very simple question and not much complexity is involved here. So यहाँ से जब चले तो आपके पास you have horizontal velocity ux and vertical velocity uy. Since you strike the wall horizontally, you have only the horizontal velocity. And when you rebound, your velocity after the collision is E times ux. There is no vertical velocity here. Now what is going to happen is the particle strikes here and after one bounce reaches the point of projection. Let us say this point is B and say this point is C. So this is how it goes. It goes from A to B, strikes the wall horizontally, then B से C तक आया और C से A तक आया. So let us see now what happens here. Now when it strikes the ground, it strikes with a velocity uy, vertical, downwards, and a horizontal velocity E times uy, sorry, with a horizontal velocity E times ux, like this. But when it will rebound, the vertical velocity becomes E times uy, and the horizontal velocity remains unchanged. Obviously, there is no friction. So there is no impulsive friction or the component of the velocity parallel to the ground will remain unchanged. So when I look at the analysis of this, and I have to basically write down everything, तो जो horizontal distance AB है is nothing but equal to BC plus CA. Now how much is AB? AB is UX into the time of flight from A to B, which is UY by G. BC is E times UX, that is the horizontal velocity, in the time into the time from B to C, that is UY by G, plus CA is going to be equal to the range, which is going to be 2 times E times UX into E times UY by G. So if I simply look at this, G cancels out, UX and UY will cancel out, and what I'll be left with is 1 equal to E plus 2E square. It's a simple quadratic equation which I can solve to get the value of E. Now I can rearrange this as E square, 2E square plus E minus 1 equal to 0. The value of E is going to be minus 1 plus minus under root B square, that is 1 square, minus 4AC, that is plus 8, divided by 4. Or E will be minus 1 plus minus 3 divided by 4. Obviously, E cannot be negative, so the value that I'm going to take here is E equal to minus 1 plus 3 by 2, 4. That is equal to 2 by 4. That is equal to half. So the value of E is 1 by 2. And that is our answer. Thank you.